Hello, my name is Atahan Bulut, and this is my third project for NLP class. In this project, I built a system to find names, places, and organizations in text. I used the Hugging Face library to train a Distilbert model. My goal was to teach the model to find these entities using two different datasets. Here's a quick look at my code. This is the first file, preparedata.py. My two datasets look different, so this script puts them together. I wrote a function called align labels with tokens. It matches the text with the correct labels and puts them in the right format for the model to read. This is that function. Next is train.py. This is where the training happens. I choose Distilbert because it's fast and accurate. I use the Hugging Face trainer to make the coding easier. I set it to train for 15 epochs, so model has enough time to learn. At first it was 3, but it didn't work with 3, so I increased it to 15 epochs. Then pipeline.py. This script tests the model. It loads the model we saved and asks it to find entities in the new sentences that it hasn't seen before. So we separate the data to 15 to 85, 15 for train, 85 for train, 15 for pipeline. And this is the last file, bash file, run.sh. It basically runs all the files automatically. So we can run it with this command, bash run.sh. Here, as we can see, preparing data, processing dataset 1, merging and processing dataset 2. This is the summary. Here, 177 samples for training, 23 samples for testing. Here, it created train final JSON and test final JSON, and prepare data file stopped here, and it started training the model. We can see train file JSON here. This is the sentences for training part, 85%, and this is for testing, and this is the 15% part. And now I will stop the recording and start it when it ends the training phase. Training phase is almost finished, 99%, and it finished. A model saved to minor model folder here. Now it's running the pipeline code on test data. And yeah, predictions saved to test up JSON. Here we can see the predictions. For example, in this one, it predicted Bayer as an organization. And these might be some mistakes, but most of them are correct. Germany, Britain are locations. Swedish is a location. National Mortgage Agency is an organization. London is a location. Ukraine, Taipei, China, these are locations. Lee is a person. Athens is a location. Yeah, most of them are like this. And yeah, this is the project. Thank you for watching.